This is a set of door handle spring solutions we designed for our client. The hanging installation method can make better use of the flexibility of the robot arm in the working range, improve the space utilization, and make the wearing more tidy. SZGH robot arm moves at a constant speed according to the programmed trajectory, which strongly ensures the consistency of spring quality. The design of the positioner and jig allows the SZGH spring robot to perform uninterrupted spring operations, spraying 10 door handles at a time, greatly increase daily production capacity. If you want to better optimize the production line, increase the input-output ratio, welcome to contact us.